In this video, I will go over how to create this image where I turn this colored wallpaper for Super Mario Galaxy, applied a black and white adjustment layer, and with the mask I can bring out any color that I want. So to do this, I'll just delete this. So here is the wallpaper, and what I'm going to do, with that layer selected, I'm going to go to the adjustment layer, go to black and white, there it is, and let's say, okay, well, I want to bring out the eyes. I want to bring out the color of the eyes. So I'm going to, with this mask for the black and white layer selected, this white square, I'm going to zoom in better, and with my brush, with my eraser, I'm going to just erase this white mask that was applied. And I can do something like this. I can see that a slight hint of green, so I can mask that back. Go over here. Whoops. Something like that. And I have something like this. In this case, because the whole thing is covered in white, and I want to erase some of that white, I'm using the eraser to erase, which is kind of the opposite with what we've been doing in the other videos. But here's this. Same thing with here. Go to Luigi. Again, it helps having a high quality picture. And a picture that's simple. For this one, it's okay if the kids get their own picture. In fact, I would encourage that. For this character, I just tend to bring out the entire color just because it's really small. But I'm just keeping it very simple for this. But this is, I'm just doing this for the black and white adjustment layer. This applies to all the other ones too, all of these. So I leave it up to you if you want to play with those ones too for this part. But I stick with this one, or black and white, because it's more obvious with what it's doing. It's simpler and it has a cool effect as well. The other ones are fine, maybe just not as cool as this. I'll leave that one. I'll do the Goomba. I'll just bring out the whole Goomba color. Again, I'm just doing this really fast. Ideally, of course, you don't want kids to finish in 1 minute or 5 or even 10. If they do, then they probably didn't really do much and did a bad job at it. Again, it helps if the kids get a picture that they like. I just use Super Mario because it's something that I like, and it's a lot better than Fortnite and Minecraft. There we go. But yeah, I'm just leaving this video short just because the other ones are pretty long, but you get the idea.